let's go over 1323 maximum 69 number. Given a positive integer, number consisting of digits 6 and 9, so a number is consisted of only two numbers or two digits. Return the maximum number you can get by changing at most one digit. So changing 6 or 9 to 6. Okay. So what we want to get is a maximum number given an integer, and we can only change one number. So we can't add, we can't delete, we just can change a number. And if we can only change one number, just think about it logically, we wouldn't want to change 9 to 6 because that's gonna make the number lower. So only thing we're gonna look at is this: 6 becomes 9. So if you look at our number, for the first example is 9669, and first thing we probably would try to do is convert this to string and then loop through each digits. And when we hit our first 6, we probably want to replace this with a 9, and we get 9969 as our result, and then convert this back into a number and return this, and that'll be our result. So maximum number is 9969, which is over here, and that's our output. And if you look at the explanations, what they're doing is they're changing a 9 to 6, and obviously that's never gonna give us a maximum number. We're looking for a maximum number. If we're looking for a minimum number, we would do that, but since we're looking for maximum, it wouldn't make sense to do this operation. So only thing we want to do is change the first occurrence of number 6 to 9. That way we would be able to get the highest or maximum number. Alright, now let's code our solution. So we declare our function which takes in a num, which is an integer, and first thing we want to do is convert our number into a string. So string num, and we want to loop through this string version of our number. So let I is equal to 0, string.length. We want to iterate through everything and increment by 1, and we want to check. So if the current string is equal to a 6, what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace the 6 with a 9. Okay, and finally we want to return the number version of our string. Okay, see that's not defined. str. Okay, looks good. If we check our solution, 9969 and 999 for the rest of the two. So 9969, 999, and 999. That's all we get. So we're only checking if the current number is equal to, or current string is equal to a string version of 6, and then if it is, we're gonna return after replacing 6 with a 9. And we just want to replace the first occurrence and not all of the 6s, because the problem says we want to change at most one number. Okay, let's go for our code one more time. So declare function takes our parameter, which is an integer, and we converted our number into a string so that we can loop through each individual digit, and we check is the current stringed version of the digit equal to 6, and if it is, we're gonna replace the 6 with a 9 and then return out of this for loop. And after that, we want to convert our new string into a number and return that result. So if we were to look at example 2, 9996, you want to change this into a string and then loop through each digit. Is the first one a 6? Nope. Second 6? Nope. Third one is a 6? Nope. Last one, is it a 6? Yes. So we want to replace this string version with a string version of 9. So we're gonna have 9999, and this is our string, right? And then lastly, we want to change this into a number and return that as a number. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just one thing to note is that we need this return statement over here, because once we replace our string with a 6 and a 9, we're going to loop out of this. There's no need to stay in the loop.